Hello friends, so in previous tutorial I gave you a brief demo of variables in PHP. Today we will learn about constants. So basically constants are fixed values. Here by fixed values I mean values that do not change throughout the execution of program or script. In some scenarios we may need to declare constants in PHP as well. As you can see on the screen, we still have the example that we saw in our previous tutorial, and I will continue with this code to explain the concept of constants. So if you remember, a variable name starts with $symbol, but we can declare constants in two ways. First, using const keyword. Second, using an inbuilt function define. Let's see the examples of these two methods one by one. So first, we will see the example of const keyword. Type in const and then the identifier. Here the identifier is the name of constant, and I will type pi, and here is a simple rule. Whenever we are declaring a constant, it is mandatory to assign some value at the time of declaration. Okay, so I have to assign some value and I will assign 3.14. Let's save it. Now with the help of echo statement we will display this value, and here I will introduce you to a new operator, that is concatenation operator. Okay, now this concatenation operator, it is used to combine two values. So our first value is this message and the second value is constant. Okay, semicolon. Let's save it and refresh, and you can see it displayed the value of pi, which is our constant. Okay, now let's see the second method. So first I will comment it out, and then our second method is using define function. It is an inbuilt function. So define, and here this function takes two arguments. So the first argument is the name of constant and it will be pi, and then the second argument is the value that we want to store in this constant. Okay, and the value will be 3.14. Let's save it, and now I will change the message. Okay, I saved it and refreshed. Okay, so let's take another example, and now in this example I will show you how we can use both variable and constant in the same statement. Okay, so first of all br tag and then our message, and the message is area of circle, and I hope you remember the formula to find the area of circle. Okay, and the formula is pi r square. Okay, where r is the radius, so pi into, and we have stored radius in a variable called radius. Okay, since it is square of radius, so we will multiply it one more time. Okay, let's save it and refresh, and now you can see it displayed the area of circle. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.